Of you that bought Seed Moon, Seed Love, or any of the Seed NFT. So in this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can actually trade it into Zoo. You get the point? So it's very easy, quick and easy way for how you can actually get it done. So welcome everyone to Digital. If this is your first time coming across our channel, do well to like, subscribe, check the link in the description of this video. You're going to see the link to our Telegram channel. Make sure you join our Telegram channel. You're going to see a list of testnet and alpha project that you need to start farming right away. It's time to make money in 2025. Let's get started and make money together. Now coming to how to actually trade your seed NFT, which is Moon, Seed Love, and the likes that you might be holding presently. All you need to do is to go to your seed account and follow this step. First thing you need to do is to come to your OKS wallet or any Zoo wallet you might be using, but I prefer OKS wallet. So if you come to your OKS wallet, you can see this is OKS wallet, then here is exchange. So we are using OKS wallet this side. So now you will need Zoo gas fee. Less than $1 gas fee is okay. Then from here you are going to proceed to discover. So from your discover you enter the URL, then you enter playseedgo.com/dashboard, or check the link in the description and comment section of this video to get it. So you're going to come here. Then if you are here to connect to your Zoo Telegram account, so you're going to click here. So it will redirect you to your Zoo Telegram account, then you grant access. So then when it's connected, so from here the first thing you do need to do is to transfer it from your spending app, that's your Telegram app, to your wallet, that's your Zoo wallet. So here we're using OKS. Then from here you are going to select the NFT you are holding. So I'm having Seed Moon and I've already transferred it. So when you are done, then you click on what? Continue to make your transfer. You can see continue. So immediately you are done, you'll be redirected to make some gas fee payment. Then you make confirmation. Then from here, if you come here, you're going to see that the wallet, I'm going to show you. If I click on the wallet now, you're going to see that my NFT is there, Seed Moon. You can see. Now for you to now trade it, all you need to do is to come here after transferring to your wallet. You understand? Then you come there. So from here you're going to click, then you click, you see Seed Moon Marketplace. Then we have Seed Boss Marketplace. So I'm having Seed Moon, so I'm going to proceed to Seed Moon Marketplace to redirect me to Zoo NFT Market. So if you want to instantly sell your NFT, you can just come to instantly sell. You can see instant sell, you can see the price. Then you can just click on sell. Then you just need to wait a little, or you cancel it, then you open again. Or you come here to list your Zoo. You come to my item, you can see. So when you come to your item, you are going to see the number of Seed Moon you are holding. Now this is the Seed Moon I'm currently holding. You can see holding 1. So if you want to list it, you can just click on the Seed Moon. Then here you said list, and if you want to transfer here, so I'm going to click on list. Then I'm going to state my price here. So let me state my price 2.6 Zoo. You said list must be higher than the collective bid. You may instantly set instead. So okay, let me use 2.7. or 7.5. So if I want to sell, then I will click on what? List. You get. So, or I may use instantly sell. You can see the option here. Then just click on accept bid. Okay, there is an error message, so let me use the listing option. $2.76. Then I'm going to use the list option. Then I'm going to confirm. So then I'm waiting until when the transaction will be completed. So just follow the process and get it done immediately.